How Dangote and Nigeria government stop IBETO cement, which has IBETO as an Igbo businessman. This news will shock you. It will be the news you will enjoy in this platform. Stay tuned. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome back. And if you know say they follow also, or you are a subscriber, thank you so much. But if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, I beg, may you rush go subscribe immediately. Now free, they know they pay money, and also turn your notification bell so that anytime we upload, you will be the first person to get them. No be smart, you know, my people know they say kasala don burst and they say yawa don gas. Things are really happening. Today, the matter we will carry come